Taking off the screen. Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is now in session. First case that we have is cause number 333338. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Garbett, Ariel, Webster, Padilla. Mr. Padilla, it's my understanding that Mr. Padilla does not speak English. He speaks Spanish. He understands some English. So we have Ms. Jennifer Raji, the court's interpreter. Mr. Raji, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Raji, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? And do you swear or affirm to translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English? So help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Raji?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Take that off of the screen. And Ms. Raji, ask Mr. Padilla how he's doing.
¿Cómo está? Good.
Okay, ask him if his name is Garbett, Ariel, Webster, Padilla.
¿Es un inglés Webster Padilla? Sí. Yes.
Okay. Mr. Padilla, I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Do you recognize that document?
¿Sí lo puedes poner ese documento? ¿Sí lo puedes ese documento que está aquí? Yes.
And at the bottom of that document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is that your signature?
Yes.
There are also some initials on the line stating that you want your case reset so that you can hire your own attorney. Did you place your initials on that document?
Yes.
Now, before you signed and initialed that document, did Ms. Araji go over that document with you in Spanish?
Antes de firmar ese documento, ¿sí te explicó que eras en ese documento? ¿Sí te explicó? Sí, sí. Yes.
And did you understand everything that she went over?
¿Y sí entendiste lo que estabas firmando aquí? Yes.
And is everything in that document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
¿Y todo lo que está aquí, que firmaste es de verdad? Yes.
Okay. Now let me do this. I forgot to swear him in. Mr. Padilla, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Quieres decir la verdad, todo de verdad, entre Dios? ¿Quieres decir la verdad, todo de verdad, entre Dios? Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Padilla, I'm gonna go over this here with bond conditions.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Padilla, you just been handed a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Do you see that title?
Esto es de las condiciones del bond. Del pagado que pagaste. El bond. Esas son condiciones que vas a tener, okay?
Okay, now I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you, and Ms. Araji is going to repeat what I say. It's already in the condition. Says, following the return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions.
Esas son las condiciones que vas a tener con el quitaste de la base, okay?
Okay, number 1, the defendant, which is you, shall not commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States.
Que no puede ser otro de tu estado o otro estado cuando estás en esas condiciones, okay?
Okay, do you understand that?
Sí. Yes.
Okay, now the next condition, number 2, it says, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body.
Ok. El segundo es que cuando ellos se quedan a hacer un examen de alcohol, que no puedes tenerlas en su sistema. Y si lo tienes en su sistema, le van a quitar la bond, le van a dejar en casa, ¿ok? Que no puedes tomar ni drogas ni nada de eso. Ellos se pueden hacer un examen como ellos quieran. ¿Sí entiendes? No, no más que sí entiendes lo que está diciendo. Que no puedes hacer eso.
Okay, do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim.
En el otro dice que no puedes tener ningún contacto con la víctima, ni con su casa, la escuela, de donde queda, o donde vaya la víctima, no puedes hacer ningún contacto con. ¿Sí entiendes?
And do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, number 4 doesn't apply because that only applies in the DWI case, which is a driving while intoxicated case. In your case is not a DWI or a driving while intoxicated case. Now, Mr. Padilla, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked.
Parece que si es una de esas condiciones, lo van a quitar y van a quitar la casa. ¿Sí entiendes?
And what that means is a warrant can be issued for your arrest and you can be placed in the Jefferson County Jail.
No te digo si haces una de esas cosas, ¿sabes? ¿Sí entiendes? No puedes hacer ninguno de esos.
Okay. Now, Mr. Padilla, you have elected to have your case reset to hire an attorney. Your case will be reset. You're going to stand on that 4X in front of our coordinator with our interpreter. And once your case is reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Dice que le van a cambiar una cita para que le hagamos una y cuando se termine con eso, que se puede ir, que tenemos. Okay.
Okay, well, once he signs for his reset, just tell him to have a seat.
Okay, you need this back, Judge?
That's his copy.
Okay, esos son. This one too?
No, that's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what we understand.
On a minute.